bumbled into a nectarine sketch, and every step of the way reminded me I don't really know what I'm doing. Anyway, so tried to do from observation, and started out with a 4H pencil, and sort of captured all the lightest areas of the nectarine. Then added, I got a 2B and a 4B happening here, and so trying to, hint at this cloth it's sitting on. I don't know why, I guess just for context. A couple of those areas I put contour lines. Oh, so here I'm pointing out that there is a reflection of the shadow underneath the, on the lower side of the nectarine. So that's just one detail that I figure if you observe it and try to depict it, that when you're all done, it's gonna, be meaningful that you have that in there. So anyway, just plodding along and try to do the cloth thing simply, and wish it wasn't even there. Actually, that's like I said in my last video, that's something you want to spend 4 hours on if you really want to get it looking great. Anyway, but that's what I ended up with, and lots of fun trying nectarine from observation.